Hey, fellow skeptics, I back again real quick. I just noticed this. I was going to launch Gilded because it's a way of keeping up with a lot of the channels I subscribe to. Plus, it's a fun way to keep up with the community, especially among the various providers and those who subscribe to them, the followers, if you will. Now, I just learned of Gilded maybe in the last few months. Didn't know it, I don't know if it's a Discord alternative, but seems rather cool. Uh, haven't really been on Discord. I know I have the Linux version on me, but I wanted to raise the attention on whenever you get these prompts, and I have two options because they tell me an update is available. So I'm gonna roll the dice. I'm gonna download this. It's only 110 megs in size. I'm going to tell it to save it in this. Alright. I'm going to go to, because I just mounted it, and at least KDE or Dolphin, which is the file manager in KDE, or I can just go here. Let me see if I'm going to actually do, let me go ahead and bring it over here. By the way, you might be seeing this Kickstarter or Indiegogo. If you can put it, please, I would like to see this being made. So I just mounted the giant storage partition. Let me see if I still have it. There it is. Did I not mount it into the right place? Great. Just great. Do I not have access to it? That's the question. Where is that? SDA2. That I did. Let me check my mount setup. What's on storage? Do I need to refresh? Let me see what I've got. Oops. I do have it. So I think it's just something with Dolphin not picking it up. Let me go back to that. See if I need to do actions. I should be able to hit. There it is. Refresh. Dolphin can be wonky like that, and I'm sure for someone like low spec Linux laptop who loves KDE, I did myself. I did love KDE. I mean XFCE. Very, very minimal looking interface. As he described it, it's close to XP as one will get, with a lot more customization at your fingertips based on the time I've spent in that environment. You could do the same with KDE. The thing with KDE that at least I don't think XFCE has, I could be wrong, there are some widgets you might find very functionally cute or cutely functional that might add a little spruce to your look. But thankfully I found it, and this could be much easier than doing what I found in macOS when you download an app image or the DMG file where you want to install it. You have to drag and drop based on the window, drag it into the applications folder. I'm going to see what's up with this. There it goes, it's launching. There we go. So that's something to think about. Yes, I like to learn the ins and outs of building things from source, and there is an advantage of building from source. Yes, there's a learning component, but if I'm not mistaken, a lot of the reasoning behind building from source is it is going to be custom tailored to your hardware and so forth, your system. There, and it's very much, it's like here's everything, and if you want to make your tweaks to the source code, you can. That's the upside. So, but if you're one of those like myself, not that we're lazier than a Windows or Mac user, and no shade about that. It's just I'm at the point where I do want things to work. And depending on what I want to build and what I don't want to build and do all that, this app image will be a very nice alternative. I just downloaded it and I just double clicked on it, and there it is. I don't have to deal with the Windows registry, don't have to deal with all the stuff you might run into when you uninstall or reinstall a program, especially in Windows, because when you uninstall a program in Windows, there's still some remnants hiding around your system, whether you want to admit it or not. Alright, much quicker video than I anticipated, guys, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you what you have at your fingertips as a Linux user. Again, many ways to get the program to work. And yes, there was the option for me to download a deb file, which is for the Debian distribution of Linux. And yes, Slackware does provide a tool, deb2tgz. I could have done that also, but hey, download the file, run it, and like you see on your screen, there it is. Okay, so I am going to stop it now because I want to attend this live stream. All right. Catch you all later. Once again, fellow skeptics, take it easy.